what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I got a different type of review for you guys. I'm not going to be going over necessarily a food product, but medicine. Yeah? What am I talking about? I have Honey's cough drops. Not the candy ones that you usually get at the checkout where they have them on the rack and they come in little squares. I mean, yeah, they do have them in smaller cough drop squares, yes, but these are a whole assortment bag of them. And guess what? There's different flavors. I must say, I have personally consumed these products, and overall, these are the absolute best cough drops I've ever had in my life. No question. And I'm going to be going over each flavor for you and telling you all about it. So, let's jump right into it. So these are the original Honey's cough drops. Pure liquid honey inside. Absolutely nothing artificial. Soothing throat drops. This is menthol free. Honey soothes throats naturally. 20 king size honey filled drops that soothe twice as long. The total sugars in this is 4 grams. It's 20 calories per drop, and there's 20 drops in a bag. I'll be cracking this bad boy open because I don't really have bad allergies, but like when I talk for long periods of time, no joke, my throat gets super dry, super fast. I love having these on standby, and hey, at the end of the day, it's honey, and I absolutely love the candies, and these taste great. So here's what it looks like. Yellow wrapper, says Honey's on it. Soothing throat drops. On the actual cough drop itself, it has a diagram of a bee on both sides, so I thought that was pretty cool. These are just the regular ones. Absolutely love them, can't go wrong. What I like about these, immediately once I start consuming them, my sore or dry throat completely goes away. Now the next one up is the Honey Menthol Honey's Cough Drops. Yeah, so these are Honey Menthol Eucalyptus Drops. Nothing artificial, non-GMO, pure honey, eucalyptus, and menthol. Same thing again, 20 calories and 4 grams of sugar per drop. And also at the end of the video, as I'm eating through these, and yeah, even though I had 2 out of the 3, I'll let you know what my favorite flavor is. Now this one is a green wrapper with the yellow Honey's lettering, which I actually happen to like if we're going to be talking about favorite label colors now. Same thing, a bee diagram on both sides. And this one obviously has more of a menthol, so you definitely get more of a cooling refreshment. And last up on the list, we have the Honey Lemon Menthol Honey's Cough Drops. It says Honey Lemon Menthol Eucalyptus Drops, nothing artificial, non-GMO, has pretty much all the same ingredients, pure honey, eucalyptus, menthol, with the addition of lemon. Same thing as far as the nutrition facts go, 20 calories per drop and 4 grams of sugar per drop. And now we got a yellow wrapper with the black Honey's lettering. Guess you're trying to make it actually look like the colors of a bee. So currently I consumed 3 cough drops, have 60 calories and 12 grams of sugar. So who's doing better than me? Nobody. Also, I must say, even with all 3 different flavors, they do mix very well. What's my favorite flavor? At the top of the list is definitely the Honey Lemon Menthol. I mean, you got honey, lemon, and menthol. Ultimate refreshing, cooling experience when you have these cough drops. Everything goes away immediately. When I have the regular honeys, I feel like I'm just having candy, which, yeah, I understand that to a certain extent, but when I have the honey, lemon, and menthol mixed all together, I mean, you just have one of these bad boys and you're good. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to showcase my favorite cough drops of all time. Those are the only ones that work for me. Anytime I had a dry or sore throat, tried Ricola, tried all the other brands, store brands have their own cough drops. They are all terrible. Honey's is the only way I will ever go. If you don't need sugar-free cough drops, definitely jump on these. No question, personal consumer here. Absolutely love Honey's candies and the Honey's cough drops even more. With that all being said, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, as always. I'll see you next time.